To fix a Kenmore washer that won't drain, there are several potential solutions to explore. One common issue is a clogged or bent drain hose, which can be caused by the hose bending during washing operations, leading to drainage problems. To resolve this, it's essential to check and straighten the drain hose. If the issue persists, cleaning the hose by detaching it from the washer and running water through it may be necessary. Another possible cause is a clogged or defective water pump, where small pieces of dirt from clothing can accumulate and obstruct the pump's ability to drain water effectively. In this case, attempting to remove the clogs from the drain pump may resolve the issue. However, if the washer still doesn't drain properly, the pump may be faulty and need to be replaced. Additionally, a defective pump motor can also be the culprit, as it won't supply adequate power to the drain pump for draining. When this occurs, the only solution is to replace the pump motor. By exploring these potential causes and taking the necessary steps to address them, fixing a Kenmore washer that won't drain can be a relatively straightforward process.